Every busy season is a gamble. Hire too few and you leave sales on the floor on your busiest day. Hire too late or too many, and the margin the season was supposed to earn walks out the door in wages. The Seasonal and Peak Season Hiring Workbook turns that gamble into a plan you can read: how many people, in which roles, hired by when, and at what cost. The method is simple, and the workbook does the math for you. You forecast the demand for each week, it turns that into labor hours, then divides by what one worker really gives in a week to land on the heads you need. Subtract the core team you already have, and what's left is the seasonal hires to add. No formulas to build, no guessing. It all starts on the Demand and Headcount tab. Enter each week's forecast and your core staff on hand, and the planner sizes the seasonal heads to add week by week. The peak row shows the most you'll need at once, which is your hiring target. And because it reads live from your roster, every week flags whether you've actually lined up enough people yet. Knowing you need 30 people is useless if you find out 2 weeks before the peak. So set the day you must be fully staffed, and the hiring ramp counts backward: when to post the jobs, screen, extend offers, and start training. It even grosses each roll up by your acceptance rate, so you extend enough offers to actually land the hires. The wage on the offer letter is not what a hire costs. The seasonal roster adds the employer cost load and a per-hire training cost, so every person's cost is the real number. Pick a role, and the pay, the weeks, the hours, and the fully loaded cost all compute for you, right through to the season's total labor bill. Having enough heads for the week doesn't mean they're on the right shifts. The shift coverage grid sets the heads you need against the heads you've scheduled for each day and day part, and flags any shift that's short, so the people you hired stand right where the rush actually is. And then the question that matters: does the season pay? The dashboard measures your fully loaded seasonal labor against the revenue it supports and flags it the moment it runs over your target, before the money is spent. Peak heads, cost, coverage by week, and hiring progress all on one screen, all calculated. It's a workbook you own outright. No seats, no monthly fee, no staffing app renting you your own hiring plan. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, and you reuse it every peak. Find the Seasonal and Peak Season Hiring Workbook at Ardent Workshop and go into your next busy season with a plan, not a gamble.